Hello everyone. So here is my most important thing: bottle of water. Stay very hydrated, irrespective of whether it is summer, winter. So today I woke up very late, around 9:30. I do not know what this thing is going on. Like, why do I just keep on waking up late? I keep up my mind before going to bed that I'm going to wake up. I'm going to wake up, like very early, around 4 5, but that is just not happening. I just keep on getting late. And yes, there is a health update. The swelling on my feet is back, but I'm trying to do my best. So my parents keep on suggesting me that just apply ice, and they do help me. I mean, they apply the ice on my foot and everything is happening. So yes, let's get on with the day. So here is a bit of fruit that I am having. Here is a fruit bowl. So something very funny happened. Now I have another channel where I upload fun videos. Now why not? Because life, like, fun videos are an answer to the weather, to pollution, joblessness, whatnot. So I have the link in the description of my fun videos. Go ahead and watch them, and like, share, comment. Now the thing is that uh, in one of my videos, somebody, I wish I knew the person so that I could ask them more about it. Somebody had mentioned Chapri, CHAPRI, Chapri Ultra Pro Max. Now, and that video had an image of a very small cottage where I once stayed on one of my vacations. And of course it was it was in a village. It was in a fishing village. Even more fishing villages in our country are even more quaint and underdeveloped than villages, uh, usual normal villages. In usual normal villages you will find a school, post office, market, whatnot. But in these villages you hardly have anything. People, tourists, sometimes the tourists visit, they depend on fishing, they depend on small odd jobs, that's it. And at the same time, so I googled what does a chapri mean. I did not know what chapri means. So I googled what chapri means, and I could see that, like, chapri means a village. Like, most of the results showed that chapri means a village. Some of the results had very vulgar answers which I don't want to share, because of course, I don't want to share what I don't think is important and safe enough. God knows who must be watching our video, right? So but the most fun thing is that, while I was searching for the meaning of chapri, um, I saw that there was this there was this comment where somebody had mentioned, uh, Prince Narula has said that Elvish Yadav is a chapri. I do not know how much true is that. I did not even know who, like, if you are a fan of Prince Narula and uh, Elvish Yadav, I'm not sure at all about who these two. I was not sure, and I'm sorry if you feel offended by the fact that I did not know. Like, there people can exist who do not know the existence of other famous people. But yes, I did not know about Elvish Yadav or Prince Narula. I had not heard about their name. I do not know half of the things out there in the internet, and that is a fact. So, I mean, my parents are more pop culture educated than I am. So, the fact is true. Now, let's just get to the point. So, I thought that how about I educate myself a bit about Elvish Yadav and Prince Narula. So I asked the internet, tell me about Elvish Yadav and tell me about Prince Narula. And here are the results. So Elvish Yadav is a prominent YouTuber and a digital content creator. And the person was born in 14 September 1997 in Gurugram, Haryana, and is a well-known Indian YouTuber and an influencer. Wow. So this person was has been active since 2016 and has popular YouTube channels. And they have this person has, oh my god, 15.5 million subscribers alongside vlog and gaming channels. Wow. So this person was also Big Boss OTT 2 winner in 2023. This person gained massive visibility and popularity after winning this digital reality show. And he has also been involved in TV and digital shows like Playground, MTV Roadies Access as a gang leader, and currently participates in the Laughter Chef's Unlimited Entertainment too. So this person also has a owns some fashion brand and is into philanthropy. There is an Elvish Yadav Foundation to support underprivileged children with education and meals, music and entertainment, wealth and lifestyle. Estimated net worth 50 crore, drawn from YouTube revenue, endorsements, and wow, TV appearance. Good. And here is more about this person. So Internet says that Elvish Yadav continues to be a dynamic figure in India's digital entertainment sphere in popular and impactful ways. The internet says more about the person, but I'm not going to delve into that. Now, let us learn about this other person called Prince Narula, who said that Elvish Yadav is a chapri. Now, how an entire person can be a village, I don't know. It seems like a compliment, but anyways, it could also mean that the word chapri has other meanings, and if that is derogatory, then I'm sorry. This is not what I wanted to do. Anyways, so Prince Narula is an Indian television personality who appeared in MTV Roadies X2 2015. The winner, he was the winner. So MTV Splitsvilla 8 2015, he was the winner. Big Boss 9 from 2015 to 2016, he was the winner. He was the winner of Nach Baliye 19 uh, 2019. So Nach Baliye, I used to watch this show once, like this is a dance show, and it is a very popular dance show, especially back in these years, 2010, 2019. I'm not sure about 2019 because I was not watching these shows, but yes, in 2010, Nach Baliye was popular. And yes, so apart from reality show, he has appeared in daily soaps like Badho Bahu, Nahagin 3, oh my god, and Astitwa. Okay, so basically, both of the people are TV people, and this person is also a gang leader, recurring gang leader in MTV Roadies. This so Prince Narula is basically. Basically a very famous personality in MTV Roadies. Anyways, so how about you people? Like, this is a very fun incident that somebody happened to mention something on my YouTube channel, and I was kind of interested to know more about that word, and I ran into two famous, interesting people, and I just did not know who they were. Anyways, so I will complete my food book, and you carry on, like, share, comment. Stay tuned for more.